Hello everyone. This is my passion project I've been working on. It's one of the guitars I recovered from my previous drummer's house that I played a couple of times. The neck on it was real bad and banana shaped, so we have this Wenge one on it, and this has been left in a basement for quite a while. So the electronics were shot. A lot of the stuff in here is pretty rusted out. So there's a new input jack right there. We got new pickups, new 5-way switch, and I'm wiring up stuff still. Mostly retired or recycled components. So we're gonna be turning this old Squier Strat with a banana neck into a Stratocaster shaped object with pretty good pickups that I recycled from my first guitar that I built, and electronics that have been recycled, except for the 5-way because I didn't have one of those recycled that was actually worth a shit. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun with this one.